point is shallow, a little more shallow. I think it's still pretty deep.
There he is.
Got it?
That's a fish.
Good one?
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Get him in, son.
I got the net. Drive me away from him.
I was trying to get us out of the grass.
Get him out of the grass.
That's a nice little fish.
He looked bigger back there.
That first jump, he looked a lot bigger. Have we net him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He's tight on him. Did you see that?
Yeah. He ain't as big as I thought he was.
Yeah! For me to pick up a spinning rod, that's awesome.
I think it's on tight on drag a little bit too.
The whole thing. He ain't that bad. There's a little guy. I think I probably throw a spinning rod maybe twice a year, and this is one of those times, so I hope I can put it down soon, but that was first cast, so a little drop shot, watermelon Cinco. How we doing? Great. Fish fighting today? Couple. Good. Small fish. Small fish. We're waiting for you to tell us where the big ones were.
That was way too Oh, come on.
Woo!
Oh my God, I knew that was in the fish. Look at that, healthy too. That's good. If you're fucking goofy, I will say that. Dude, that's gonna be silent.
Oh man. Spinning rod strikes again. Alright. There's another one. Tyler missed one. He couldn't handle it, so I had to come in behind him for cleanup.
You got your phone in your pocket?
Send one to Kev?
Is your phone in your pocket?
Yeah. Yes, it is. What, you talking about?
Let me hold it, I'll take the picture.
Teaching me how to swim?
Let me hold it, I'll take the picture. That'll be good for you.
Yeah, pretty fish.
I know y'all missed the video,